This dance is called Jose Cuervo. It's a 32 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the left foot. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side. Sailor step, left foot leading, behind side to side. Repeat with the right foot. So we cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, sailor step up on the right, behind side to side. So that set of steps once more then. Cross side sailor, off on the left. 7, 8, cross side, sailor step, cross side, sailor step. Into a weave to the right, left foot leading. So we cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross left behind right. Make a quarter turn right as you step that right forward. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right. Now we're going into a full triple turn. Over 3 steps, 1 and 2 count timing on the spot. So full turn right, left, right, left. That set of steps once more then. Weaving to the right, off on the left. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, full triple turn. There you have effectively got a 1 3/4 turn there, with that quarter turn at the end of the weave, the half turn on the pivot, and then that full triple turn. So you've got 2 options. If you're okay doing the 3/4 turn, but you want to just take out that full triple turn, just turn that full triple turn into a cha-cha-cha on the spot. If you want to try and take out the whole of that sequence, what you can actually do is start your weave, cross, side, behind. Instead of turning, step the right to the side. Rock back on the left as you recover your weight, make a quarter turn left, and then you can go into that cha-cha-cha step. So non-turning steps should you need to take out any of that combination. Now I will demonstrate that full triple turn whilst we're doing the dance and the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning cha-cha-cha option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add that to the top. Cross side sailor off on the left. 7, 8, cross side, sailor step, cross side, sailor step, cross side, behind, turn, step, pivot, full triple turn. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Kick, ball, change twice off on the right. Kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. A further 2 steps forward, walk, walk. Nice easy section. Try that once more, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk, walk. Let's add that to the top. Cross side sailor off on the left. 7, 8, cross side, sailor step, cross side, sailor step, cross side, behind, turn, step, pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk, walk. Add on a Monterey, half a turn. So point, half a turn, point, close. Chassé to the right. Stomp the left beside the right, don't put any weight on it. Kick the left forward. And then you're ready to go into your cross side sailor. So that set of steps once more then. Monterey half off on the right. 7, 8, Monterey half, right chasse, stomp, kick. End of dance. Let's put it all together. Cross-side sailor off on the left. 7, 8, cross-side, sailor step, cross-side, sailor step, cross-side, behind, turn, step, pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk, walk. Monterey, half, right chasse, stomp, kick. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the cats. Cross-side sailor off on the left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you can get a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Cross-side sailor off on the left. 7, 8, cross-side, sailor step, cross-side, sailor step, cross-side, behind, turn, step, pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk, walk. Monterey, half, right chasse, stomp, kick. Cross-side, sailor step, cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, behind, turn, step, pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk, walk. Monterey, half, right chasse, stomp, kick. Cross-side, sailor step, cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, behind, turn, step, pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk, walk. Monterey, half, right chasse, stomp, kick. So that is your dance and your walk-through. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, behind, turn, step. Pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk, walk. Monterey, half, right chasse, stop, kick. Cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, behind, turn, step. Pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk, walk. Monterey, half, right chasse, stop, kick. Cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, behind, turn, step. Pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk. Monterey, half, right chasse, stop, kick. Cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, sailor step. Cross-side, behind, turn, step. Pivot, full triple turn. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, walk. Monterey, half, right chasse, stop, kick. Cross-side. Weave. Walks. Monterey. Cross-side. Weave.
Come on, bartender, let's have another round.
Walks.
The music is playing, my spirits are high.
Monterey. Waltz. Monterey. Cross sides. Lead. Waltz. Monterey.
Cuervo, you are a friend of mine. I like to drink you with a little salt and lime. Every time we get together, I sure have a good time. You're my friend, you're the best thing in me, Cuervo, you are a friend of mine. I like to drink you with a little salt and lime. Did I kiss all the cowboys? Did I shoot out the lights? Did I dance on the bar? Did I start a fight? Jose Cuervo, Jose Cuervo, Jose Cuervo.
Hope you managed that one